Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And today is Diwali. First of all, I would like to say Happy Diwali to my YouTube family. You people are really wonderful. I never thought that I will be achieving this 3K subscribers. But your trust in me has put myself into a different level and always pushing me for preparing or making better and better content for all of you. Thank you very much for all of your love and affection and support to this particular channel especially. And before I start today's discussion, I would like to welcome Siddharth Ray and Tapaswini Behra to our mains crash course especially in today's this thing. I personally urge both of them to quickly get into the group and start writing answers. Yesterday I shared the strategy video with my crash course participants. I hope they have to implement that crash course plan, whatever given to them. They're supposed to be implementing the same strictly in their particular preparation till main examination especially. And many of you are sending me and asking me question, emailing me, then WhatsApp and calls. It is very difficult for me to answer all this through email, through you can say WhatsApp or Telegram or even call attending. It is wasting so much of my time. So I thought it is appropriate for me to make a video how to join my crash course. Especially friends, I have not developed so much of an infrastructure where so many people will be there to, you can say, attend my calls, answer my emails and all that. For that reason only I have made this particular way. If you are really interested and serious of cracking the OS examination especially, I have made this particular way. You supposed to be sending me an email, then I will be sharing you. Many of you are asking this, sir, the schedule is there in the description. The entire schedule, the schedule is there in the description. You can say you can download our performa, our feedback performa will be there. Personalized feedback will also be given. All the question, what is your core strength, what is your areas of improvement. Not only that, the model answers will also be. I have set a deadline for giving you the model answers. You have to be strictly following that particular model answers in OCS main examination especially. Many of the especially people who have already enrolled in our crash course, they are writing high quality answers on whatever said line. I have taken more than 10 or 12 answer writing classes. Every Sunday I discuss one important essay which might be coming in OCS main examination 2020. I have taken essay foundation class as well as the discussion classes are there. Every Sunday it will be continuing till the main examination. Even if the essay, there will be five you can say essay test and 5 full length tests from GS1, GS2, ODI and English paper. The schedule, entire schedule is there in the description. Yesterday I uploaded 13, test number 13 of our sectional test. Currently sectional test is going on. People are writing and sending us and we are giving them evaluated copy, feedback. And if you are interested, without wasting time, do join. One day late means one day lost. I personally say. That particular thing, that's supposed to be your seriousness. If you are not interested in our test series but join some other test series too, but join because seriousness is important. Because it is not a objective test that you know a particular answer or you don't know, but it is a subjective test where you supposed to be writing high quality answers which will fetch you marks. The deserving whatever the thing that you desire. Say for example you want to top, especially cross the cutoff, and some people are desiring to become toppers in the examination. You supposed to be writing, there is a objective criteria of writing. If you will be following those particular criteria, then only your score will go high. Especially, though I may not be giving you content for optional paper or test series for your optional, but our answer writing classes and overall guidance will help you in your optional preparation too, especially. And not only that, our course participants have started you can say a group, and in that people are doing group preparation. You can be part of that particular group, and I am the overall guiding in our test series crash course. Then how to join? Send me an email in my email address. Many of you are doing that, how to join emails and WhatsApp or calls. Please send me an email, abishoi27@gmail.com. abishoi27@gmail.com. You can send me an email on this particular email, or askabacademy@gmail.com. askabacademy@gmail.com. When you will get you can send me an email that I want to be a part of your crash course, then I will be giving you my contact number. I will be giving you my contact number. On that particular contact number, you will do the fee transfer. 7,500 is our course fee. You will be transferring the fee to this particular number through Google Pay. The number will be given to you through email, and you will be sending us the screenshot. You will be sending us the screenshot to the paid number or the number given to you. Another number will be given to you. Two numbers will be given to you. One is you will do the transaction, and you can share the screenshot to the same number or to the Telegram number, through which you will be added to the Telegram course group, where you can access previous classes as well as study material will be provided, as well as test series. Test series question will be provided to you. Then mentioning your Telegram number, you supposed to be, after transaction, what you supposed to be doing, taking the screenshot and sharing the screenshot in my email address with your number, mentioning your Telegram number supposed to be there basically. And all those people who are unable, not having this particular thing, Google Pay or Phone Pay, there is another account details are there in the description. You can do the transaction and share you can say the transaction detail on my above two email address. If you will share the detail, then I will also add you to the Telegram channel course group. Then you will be added to the crash course Telegram channel, access class material and test series thing, all the test series question, and you will be sending us your answer writing. You supposed to be taking the pictures in Cam Scanner and Doc app. Docs apps will be helpful for you. When we will be sending you the feedback, you will be opening the feedback in Docs app. This is a DOCX app and Cam Scanner. Cam Scanner, both these apps you can download it from Google Play Store. Google Play Store, you can download it and you can use both the apps. This app will help you to convert your pics into PDF, and this app will help you when we will be sending you the feedback. You can open the feedback in Docs app. Then you will get far better value than what you pay for. Rest assured, you will be getting far better, you can say, value than any other people in this particular thing. I personally believe in providing more than what people paid me, and it is proven in my prelim crash course. In prelim crash course, people only paid 600 rupees and I provided them far better value. They can never deny that. In mains also, it will be far better than what they have paid for. And many of the students who are preparing for 2021 OCS examination, they also are preparing under me. And my personal motive is to convert you, especially all those who will be taking our crash course, into answer writing machine. Our only criteria is to convert you into answer writing machine specially. And the last but not the least, there are so many laptops in the market, but Apple is Apple. There are so many people were there. You can say Samsung, you can say so many, but Apple is Apple. Because you people are a civil services aspirant, समझदार को इशारा काफी होता है. All the best and enjoy Diwali, but it has to be a short enjoyment because days ahead is your foundation for your future success. So it has to be short enjoyment and do not waste so much of a time. And the government as well as Supreme Court guidelines are there about green crackers. You supposed to be bursting. If you are willing to burst, it has to be green crackers. Because we do have a responsibility towards environment, we not supposed to be spreading so much of a pollution that is there. And I may not be able to frequently upload because my current focus is to serve our crash course, preparing content for my crash course and model answers. So please keep preparing. If you have cleared especially the prelim examination, there is a playlist, Odia and English playlist, and many other videos are there which will be helpful to you in this particular YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Happy learning.